look now at this growing controversy involving the massive egg recall in this country. Questions this morning about whether a simple vaccine could have actually prevented the Salmonella outbreak. Joining us now with the latest CBS News correspondent, Elaine Quijano. Elaine, good morning. Something very simple.
Interesting, and it might have helped prevent this, Erica. Good morning. Now, the CDC says there have been about 40 new cases of Salmonella in roughly the last week or so, adding to those 1,300 cases reported so far. And authorities are still searching for what caused the contamination. As investigators try to pinpoint the exact source of the salmonella that tainted more than 500 million eggs, questions now about whether the contamination might have been prevented by vaccinating chickens against the bacteria. The Food and Drug Administration weighed in on a vaccine last month, saying there was not evidence to support a mandatory vaccination requirement. But questions and criticisms do not end there.
When you have multiple agencies in charge of a single issue, sometimes no one's in charge.
A CBS News investigation has obtained a series of state inspection reports of one of the companies linked to the recall, Wright County Egg. Each report shows during an April visit, the inspector did not check any of the 27 points on his safety checklist, including whether the facility was free from the presence of birds, insects, or rodents, and whether equipment was in clean and sanitary condition. The state says the inspector did not do more because the facility had a full-time USDA inspector on site. But the USDA says its official on site was not an inspector at all and was only there measuring eggs and looking for cracked shells. Inspections are the responsibility of the FDA, which had never inspected the farms.
They don't have the inspectors, and they haven't had the mandate to really do effective food inspection for these facilities.
And that may be the case at more than half the nation's food production facilities. Another report found most have gone without an FDA inspection for at least 5 years, despite recent recalls of tainted spinach, tomatoes, and peanut butter. Now, new federal rules requiring farms to test for salmonella should help, but the FDA says it also needs Congress to pass a food safety bill that would give the agency more power and resources when it comes to inspections. Erica?
It is so disturbing.
It is.
Everything that you've discovered.
Yeah.
Elaine, thanks. Elaine Quijano joining us this morning.